Essential steps to build your first PC without mistakes. Start with essential components: CPU, motherboard, RAM, GPU, storage, power supply, and case. Handle each component carefully to avoid damage and ensure a smooth assembly process. Install components in the correct order, starting with the CPU and motherboard for stability. Focus on cable management to improve airflow, aesthetics, and easier troubleshooting later. Avoid common mistakes like improper seating of components or overlooking thermal paste application. Subscribe for more tech tips and PC building guides.